Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at Subway. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story about ordering a sandwich. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What bread does Mina choose for her sandwich? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Sam, look, there is a Subway over there. I want to try it.
Oh, nice. I love Subway. Let's go.
But wait, I have never ordered at Subway before. I don't know how to order.
Really? Don't worry, it's not that hard. I go to Subway a lot. I will show you how.
But there are so many choices on the menu. Look at all those pictures. I don't know where to start.
I know it looks like a lot, but the good news is the steps are always the same. Every time you go to Subway, you follow the same steps.
Okay, please tell me. I want to know before we go inside.
Sure. First, you choose your bread. There are different kinds of bread, like white bread or wheat bread.
Okay, bread first. Then what?
Then you choose the size. There are two sizes, a 6-inch, which is small, or a foot long, which is big.
Okay, bread, then the size. Got it. What's next?
After that, you choose your main filling. That means the meat or the main part, like chicken or turkey or ham.
Okay, bread, size, and then the main filling. And then?
Then the staff may ask if you want it toasted. That means they heat the sandwich in the oven.
Oh, I see. And after that?
After that, you choose your vegetables, things like lettuce, tomato, onion, and so on.
Okay, and then?
Then you choose your sauce. There are many kinds, like mayonnaise, mustard, or teriyaki sauce.
And after the sauce?
After that, you just pay. That's it. So the steps are bread, size, main filling, toasted or not, vegetables, sauce, and then pay.
Oh, that sounds easy. Bread, size, main filling, toasted or not, vegetables, sauce, and pay.
That's right. You remembered it perfectly.
Okay, I feel a little better now, but I'm still a little nervous.
That's totally normal, but I will be right next to you the whole time.
Thank you, Sam. That makes me feel better.
Let's go inside and try.
Oh, there are a few people in line.
Yes, but the line is not too long. We will be next soon.
Good. I'm glad it's not too long. I don't want to wait too much. I might get more nervous.
You will be fine. Let's look at the menu while we wait.
Okay, let me look at the pictures too.
Good idea. Take your time. The pictures really help.
There are so many sandwiches. I don't know which one to choose.
What kind of meat do you like? Do you like chicken?
Yes, I like chicken.
Then I recommend the teriyaki chicken. It's very popular, and the taste is familiar for Japanese people. I think you will really like it.
Teriyaki chicken? Oh, that sounds good. Teriyaki is a Japanese flavor, so I feel safe with that.
Exactly. It's a great choice for your first time.
Okay, I think I will try the teriyaki chicken.
Great choice. And for the bread, I think you will like the white Italian bread. It's soft and simple. It goes well with almost anything.
White Italian bread. Okay, I will try that. Is it the most popular bread?
Yes, I think so. Many people choose the white Italian. It's a safe choice. And for the size, there are two choices, a 6-inch, which is small, or a foot long, which is big.
I think the 6-inch is enough for me. I'm not that hungry.
Okay, so you will order a 6-inch teriyaki chicken on white Italian bread.
Yes, 6-inch teriyaki chicken on white Italian bread. Let me say it one more time. 6-inch teriyaki chicken on white Italian bread.
Perfect. You sound very confident.
I'm practicing. I don't want to forget when it's my turn.
That's a smart idea. Oh, look, it's your turn now.
Hi there. Welcome to Subway. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I would like the teriyaki chicken, please.
Great choice. The teriyaki chicken is one of our most popular sandwiches.
Oh, really? That's good to know.
Yes. Now, what bread would you like?
What kinds of bread do you have?
We have white Italian, wheat, honey oat, and flatbread. The white Italian is soft and light. The wheat is a little healthier. The honey oat has a sweet taste.
I see. I'll have the white Italian, please.
Good choice. And what size would you like? We have two sizes. The 6-inch is our smaller size, and the foot-long is the bigger one.
I would like the 6-inch, please.
Perfect. So that's a 6-inch teriyaki chicken on white Italian bread. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Great. Would you like it toasted?
Toasted. What does that mean exactly?
It means we heat the sandwich in the oven for a little bit. It makes the bread warm and crispy. Most people like it toasted.
Oh, that sounds nice. Yes, please toast it.
Sure thing. I'll put it in the oven right now. It will only take a moment.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, your sandwich is toasted and ready. Now, next, please choose your toppings. What vegetables would you like on your sandwich?
What vegetables do you have?
We have lettuce, tomato, cucumber, onion, green pepper, olive, jalapeno, and pickles. You can choose as many as you want.
Oh, I can choose as many as I want? I don't have to pay extra?
That's right. All the vegetables are free. You can add as many as you like.
Oh, that's great. Okay, I would like lettuce and tomato, please.
Lettuce and tomato. Sure. Would you like anything else?
Can I also have cucumber?
Of course. Lettuce, tomato, and cucumber. Would you like some onion too?
No, thank you. No onion for me. I think 3 vegetables is enough.
Okay, no problem. So lettuce, tomato, and cucumber. Got it.
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
Great. Now, what sauce would you like?
What sauces do you have?
We have mayonnaise, mustard, ranch, sweet onion, honey mustard, teriyaki, and a few more. If you're not sure, the mayonnaise is always a safe choice.
Oh, there are so many choices. I'll have the mayonnaise, please.
Mayonnaise. Would you like a lot or just a little?
Just a little, please.
Okay, just a little mayonnaise. Would you like any other sauce?
No, that's enough. Just the mayonnaise is fine.
Okay, perfect. Your sandwich looks great. Now I'll take you to the register.
Thank you so much. It looks really good.
Okay, welcome to the register. Would you like anything else today? We have drinks, cookies, and chips.
Oh, you have cookies too? They look delicious.
Yes, they are very popular. We have chocolate chip, white chocolate macadamia, and oatmeal raisin.
They sound good, but I think the sandwich is enough for me today. I'll just have a cup of water, please.
Sure, no problem. Is that all for you today?
Yes, that's all. Thank you.
Okay. Is this for here or to go?
For here, please. We want to eat inside.
For here. Got it. Your total is $8.50.
$8.50. Okay, that's not too expensive.
How would you like to pay? Cash or card?
I'll pay by card, please.
Sure. Please tap or insert your card on this machine right here.
Okay, like this?
Yes, perfect. Your payment is done. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Your water cup is right over there. You can fill it yourself at the drink station.
Oh, I see. I fill it myself. Thank you for telling me.
No problem. Enjoy your sandwich. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Okay, let's find a seat.
You did it, Mina. You ordered all by yourself.
I did it! I was really nervous, but I did it.
You did great. Your English was very clear and easy to understand.
Really? I was worried that the staff could not understand me.
No, you were perfect. The staff understood everything you said. You spoke very clearly.
Oh, I'm so relieved. I was nervous the whole time.
You didn't look nervous at all. You looked very confident.
I was trying to look calm, but inside, my heart was beating very fast.
Well, you did a great job hiding it. Okay, now let's eat. Try your sandwich.
Okay, let me take a bite. It's really delicious. The teriyaki sauce is sweet, and the bread is crispy from the toasting.
That sounds amazing. I'm glad you chose the toasted option.
Yes, the toasting was a really good idea. It makes the bread so much better.
I always get mine toasted too. What about the vegetables?
The vegetables are very fresh. The lettuce is crunchy, and the tomato is juicy. I'm glad I added the cucumber too.
See? Subway is fun because you can make your own sandwich exactly how you want it.
Yes, I really like that. You choose everything yourself. It feels like it was made just for me.
And now you know how to order. Next time you can do it alone.
Alone? Maybe. I think I can try.
I'm sure you can do it. You were really great today.
Sam, I learned a lot today. I was really scared before we came in, but now I feel much better about ordering.
That's great to hear. What was the hardest part for you?
I think choosing the vegetables was a little hard. There were so many choices, and the staff was waiting for me. I felt a little pressure.
I understand that feeling. But remember, the staff was very patient with you. They are used to it. They help many customers every day.
Yes, that's true. The staff was very kind. That helped me a lot.
Okay, let's review the steps so you remember them next time. First, you choose your bread.
Yes, and then you choose the size, 6-inch or foot-long.
Right. And then?
Then you choose the main filling, like chicken or turkey or ham.
Good. And after that?
Then the staff asks if you want it toasted, and I will always say yes now. Toasted is the best.
I agree. Toasted is always better. And then?
After that, you choose your vegetables, and remember, the vegetables are free. You can add as many as you want.
That's right. And then?
Then you choose your sauce, and you can ask for a lot or just a little.
Perfect. And finally?
And finally, you pay at the register. The staff asks if it's for here or to go, and then you choose cash or card.
You remember everything perfectly. I'm impressed.
I think I can do it by myself next time. I just need to be brave and try.
That's exactly right. And if you don't understand something, you can always ask the staff to say it again. Just say, "Could you say that again, please?"
Could you say that again, please? That's a very useful phrase. I'll remember that.
It's one of the most important phrases when you are ordering food. Don't be afraid to use it.
Okay, I won't be afraid. Sam, thank you so much for helping me today. I could not have done it without you.
You're very welcome, but I think you're better than you think. I'm really proud of you, Mina.
Thank you, Sam. That means a lot to me. I will try again next time. Maybe I will try a different sandwich.
That's a great idea. There's so many choices at Subway. You can try something new every time you go.
Yes, I will try again next time. I'm not scared anymore.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What bread does Mina choose for her sandwich? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with useful tips for real-life situations. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.